Hey, welcome guys, welcome back to the show. It's your boy Mac Vismo, and you are tuned into Mac Vismo TV. Pleasure's all mine to be here. So ladies and gentlemen, I know this video is about AirPods again. Alright, this is not a review. What this is, I know a lot of you guys have your AirPods. You lost a bud. She's like, oh my god, you don't know where it is. It could be in your house, or it could be in your car, it could be somewhere. You're not sure where it is. But
hey, don't judge me, man. We leave our AirPods in the most weirdest place. Yeah, looking in the refrigerator. Yes,
you can actually find a single earbud, and I'm going to show you how. Why wouldn't you want to find an earbud? Earpods are expensive. Losing one earpod could be very annoying. To replace it, it will cost you $65 just to replace one earbud. How I do this, so follow my steps. All right, I might just pop it up on the screen right in front of me, doesn't matter. So what you want to do is you can swipe down on your screen and you can type find. Once you type find, it will display all your devices, show you the location of all your devices, and you tap on the device that you're looking for. So in this case, I was looking for my earbud. It's lost somewhere. So once I tap on my earbud, it gives you the option of playing the sound. So yes, your earpods actually plays a pinging sound that's it's hard not to hear it. You will hear it in the house. Turn everything off and you will hear it. But if that earpod is in your pocket, like my story, I was looking for my earpod and I played the sound and I couldn't find the earpod. The sound was everywhere. I was like, why is it here? I go outside, it's still there. I'm like, why is it? So what I did actually, I realized the earpod was in my pants. I'm like, everywhere I go, the sound is there. So I'm like, there's no way. I searched my pocket, it's not in my pocket. So I take my pants off because I wear the jogger pants. It was right there in the feet of a jogger pants. So you know, thank God for that feature. So you can ping your earpods and it will play off a sound and you will find it. It's a very quick video. I thought it would be very helpful. If you do like my videos, like, subscribe, and share. That's why we're here to grow. We're here to grow, baby. So it's your boy Mac Vismo. I will see you again in the next video. We out.